Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hello everyone, Sifu Keith here, and today we're going to be bringing you some video on Wing Chun kicking. We're going to work on some warm-up techniques, some conditioning techniques, partner drills, and how to train them on the wooden dummy. So before we get into that, make sure you check the boxes below to like and subscribe, and to click the bell to always so that you'll always be informed on our newest videos. Stay safe everybody, train hard, and have a great day.
Cross leg, step in and interlock, shin to shin. Gently rock, forward and back. Light pressure, just a little bit of resistance to train the muscles. Over time, gradually add pressure. You should try and work this exercise for 20 repetitions each side, building your way up to 1 minute each side. Remember, slowly increase the tension. When performing this exercise solo, pay close attention that as you rock forward, that the knee does not come past the toe. Train for 1 minute on each side to gradually build up your endurance. Interlock shins. Here, now we're going to work on a circular rotation. As you press in, your partner will turn, rotate, and press out. A slow, gentle circular motion. Once again, start with light pressure, gradually increase the force to develop the muscular endurance, and work your way up to 1 minute segments on either side. Here in the solo routine, pay close attention again not to make the knee go over the toe line. Once again, work up to 1 minute rotations on each side. With the 8-part dummy stretch, you can start by doing a box out punch to close, or you can just start from holding on to the wooden dummy arm. So we do a stomp kick to the knee, side kick to the ankle. Draw back up, go to the thigh, stomp kick, back to the ankle. Draw up to the waist. Now here, if you begin to get tight, just gently flex, hold the dummy, and pull in, and try and stretch as far out as you can while holding on to the dummy to work with your flexibility and kicking prowess. So if this is your end result, stop there and just work this part of the drill. As you become more flexible, increase the speed. Stomp kick, side kick, stomp kick, side kick, waist. But now as your flexibility goes, you can go to the top of the dummy. So again, starting at the knee, each time you kick, go down to the ankle. Thigh, ankle, waist, ankle, and then head, ankle. Each time you complete up to the head, that's 1 repetition. Try to work 20 repetitions each side. Three-level side kick training on the wooden dummy. Start at the ankle, move to the knee, chamber, move to the waist, reset. Each time you do the 3 kicks, it counts as 1 repetition. Try and train 20 repetitions each side. Ankle, knee, and waist. Three-level stomp kick training. Ankle, knee, and waist. Every 3 kicks equates to 1 repetition. Try to train 20 repetitions each side. This will help increase your flexibility and your strength with your kicking. front kick deflection training, draw your knee up and in, and gently start by tapping the outside of your leg against the center arm of the wooden dummy. This will help increase your flexibility for kicking, train deflecting front kicks. This will also help temper the leg to make it more resilient in blocking kicks. Round kick interruption. Draw your leg up and gently start by tapping it down on the inside of the middle arm of the dummy. So draw the leg up, tap down on it. This part of the leg is very tender, so this will help with your flexibility and tempering the leg for its resiliency in blocking round kicks. Try to train at least 20 repetitions on each side. Alternating stomp kick drills. Start cross-arm lob sal. Adjust your foot, stomp kick the ankle, the knee, and the waist. Return to starting position. Your partner goes lob sal, adjust your foot, ankle, knee, and waist. Try and work up into 1 minute drills for each side for this drill. Alternate side kick drills. Start cross-arm, lob sal, low side kick ankle, knee, and then waist. Return to starting position. Your partner goes lob, adjust his footing, stomp kick the ankle, the knee, and then the waist. Work your way up to 1 minute rounds on each side of this drill. In the combination drills, here we do a lob sal. Start with a side kick to the ankle, stomp to the knee, side kick to the waist, and reset. And then my partner does a lob sal, side kick to the ankle, stomp kick to the knee, side kick to the waist. Begin by starting this exercise slowly, gradually increase the speed. Work this drill for 1 minute rounds on each side. Here we change the combination, lob sal, stomp kick to the ankle, side kick to the knee, stomp kick to the waist. Return to starting position. The partner adjusts, does a lob sal, stomp kick to the ankle, side kick to the knee, and stomp kick to the waist. Remember to train this exercise for 1 minute repetitions on each side, gradually increasing the speed.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.